It may not look like much now, but these are the foundations of a net zero facility for the future. A $400 million state-of-the-art drinks processing and distribution centre in Ipswich, southeast Queensland. This groundbreaking expansion into Australia by beverage company Frucor Suntory is part of an ambitious investment in both growth and sustainability.
We started to talk about bringing this fabulous facility here to Australia. One of the big focuses for Suntory was the commitment around sustainability, and they want this to be a benchmark site that actually helps drive more sustainable investment, not only for Suntory but around us.
The factory is part of Suntory Group, an international multi-beverage business with more than 300 brands in more than 120 countries. In Australia, the company manufactures and distributes brands like V Energy, Maximus and Suntory Boss Coffee. This 17-hectare Swanbank facility is on track to begin manufacturing, packaging and distribution by mid-2024, helping power the company's supply chain and supporting its goal to further grow its presence in the Oceania region.
At the first phase of the ramp up, we're going to be able to produce 20 million cases from this facility, and that has the capacity to go up to beyond 50 million cases.
What Swanbank will unlock is just the opportunity for us to really scale into the Australian market, which is super exciting when you think about the growth trajectory that we're already on for the V brand and other brands in our portfolio such as Boss and Maximus. It'll just really unlock the shackles for us and allow us to do even greater things.
When Suntory was founded over 120 years ago, the family were very committed to humanity, committed to the merge between people and their environment, the planet. So it's part of the DNA of Suntory.
Everything that we're doing and every choice that we're making, we're really thinking about sustainability and the impact it will have on the environment. And I think that'll be something that our consumers and our customers will be really excited to hear about.
More than 14 kilometres of solar panels and a biomass boiler will support renewable power on site, as well as other technologies such as energy-efficient cooling and refrigeration systems and on-site waste management and water recycling. The business is also focused on making it easy for their consumers to make sustainable choices. The company has committed to achieving 100% recyclable packaging by 2030. With its own research and development centre, the team is making progress, currently at 93% recyclable packaging.
Having it done in-house allows us to just develop materials at pace without having to rely on external suppliers or partners to be able to do it. So that means we're able to be really agile. There's still a lot to go in this space, but we have a plan in place for the next few years to actually achieve our goal of 100% sustainable plastics.
This focus on sustainability will be continued at Swanbank.
We've partnered with a number of recycling companies to recycle any wastage of cans or bottles or glass and packaging.
We're thinking about the decisions that we make as we look to progress with our new manufacturing site and keeping in mind the sustainable footprint.
It goes right to the core of the Yata Minahari spirit, which is what Suntory is all about. Apart from growing for good, we do it with a spirit that says that there's no challenge that's impossible and that we will work hard to overcome those challenges so that we can meet a sustainable future.
It is ambitious, but it's achievable, and we've got a really clear plan.
It's really good to be actually working on these projects because it feels like we are part of a solution.
The company has come a long way since it started as the New Zealand Apple and Pear Board in 1962, growing in leaps and bounds. And this growth will be unlocked further by Swanbank, which will be the centrepiece for Suntory in the APAC region. In fact, it's the biggest FMCG investment of this size in Australia in the last decade.
One of the biggest, if not the biggest, investment that Suntory's made outside of Japan. And this gives us the best platform for a longer term growth agenda to bring the very best of Suntory here to Oceania.